Space, mankind's new frontier. We live in the expectation of new discoveries and the development of fundamentally new scientific theories. Man's journey into space has led to a true revolution in science and consciousness. We are moving ever closer to the stars, to our inspiration, our light, our life. Space science has a boundless future with infinite possibilities, just like the universe itself. Russian scientists were pioneers of the theory behind space flight. It was their work which gave us the first man-made satellites to orbit the Earth, the Sun and the Moon. Thanks to them, man's first flight in space and the first interplanetary flight were made possible. Today, Russia continues to maintain its position as a major space power, sharing this title only with the USA. In just 2 decades, our merchant city on the Volga has turned into a world center for the aerospace industry. It was in Samara 50 years ago that the rocket which would take the first man into space was built, marking the start of the new space era for all mankind. Of course, this would have been impossible without the extraordinary ideas, bold decisions, and painstaking work of the talented scientists and engineers, employees, and graduates of the Samara State Aerospacde University. All kinds of modern space technology are manufactured in Samara today, not just for Russia, but for Western Europe and the USA too. From rocket engines to space satellites. And of course, the Soyuz carrier rockets, the most reliable series ever to be produced. In the second decade of the 21st century, they alone are now used to send humans into space, to the International Space Station. For many years, the Soviet government kept Samara's space industry a secret. But things are very different now. Today, Samara is a welcoming and dynamic city. A center of learning, industry, education and culture. In 2018, Samara will host some of the FIFA World Cup matches. A new stadium is being built for the event. Its architecture reflects the cosmic inclinations of the city and its inhabitants. Next to the stadium will be a modern technology park, the Gagarin Center. This will be home to the new SSAU campus, boasting innovative laboratories and research centers, which will also be available to users outside the university. SSAU is already integrating scientific research carried out by leading regional academic institutes. As a pivotal university for the Russian aerospace sector, we have set ourselves the task of not only producing highly qualified specialists, but creating a center of knowledge and ideas to change the world. We nurture new ideas and celebrate scientific inspiration and flight. You can never tell which ideas will change the world, but there are many ideas rooted and growing right here and now in our university. We take fundamental discoveries and set them to work on the problems facing the world today and tomorrow. We give our inventors the tools, opportunities, and connections to turn their ideas into actions, creating new technologies which change lives. Are you ready for the world of the future? Your journey into space starts here.